Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and recommendations. Today, we're diving into a skincare gem that's been making waves in the beauty world. The Buttah Skin by Dorion Renaud Complete Melanin-Rich Skincare Kit. If you've been searching for the best facial for uneven skin tone, look no further. Let's explore why this kit deserves a spot in your skincare routine. First off, let's talk ingredients. This kit is packed with powerhouse components tailored to melanin-rich skin. We've got organic shea butter, known for its deep hydration and skin-nourishing properties. Then there's the vitamin C serum, a staple for brightening and evening out skin tone. And don't forget the facial cleanser, designed to gently purify and clarify without stripping away moisture. But what do real users have to say? Well, the reviews speak for themselves. Customers rave about the transformative effects of these products. From improved hydration to clearer, more radiant skin, the Buttah Skin Kit is earning high praise across the board. Now, let's address some common concerns. A few users have reported experiencing oily skin after using the products. It's important to remember that skincare is not one size fits all. Understanding your skin type and adjusting product usage accordingly can make all the difference. To get the most out of your Buttah Skin Kit, here are some helpful tips. First, know your skin type. Whether you're oily, dry, or somewhere in between, there's a Buttah product suited for you. Second, less is more. A little goes a long way with these potent formulas, so don't overdo it. And finally, consistency is key. Stick to a regular skincare routine to see long-lasting results. In conclusion, if you're on the hunt for the best facial for uneven skin tone, look no further than the Buttah Skin by Dorion Renaud Complete Melanin-Rich Skincare Kit. With high-quality ingredients, glowing reviews, and customizable options for every skin type, it's a game-changer in the world of skincare. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Until next time, stay beautiful.